Hello everyone, it's been a while. The last of 2019 was super busy because of the holidays and just a bunch of other life stuff. I really do believe that a room reflects the mind, and obviously I let my desk get super cluttered during that time. So I'm gonna try to get my stuff together today and organize all of this. Since my boyfriend is getting me a Silhouette Cameo 4 for my birthday, I wanted to clean off my desk and get everything organized before I got to open that. So let's begin. So first on the agenda is stickers. I have quite a few of them from my orders, and I had previously been using this A5 binder to hold everything. I had them sorted and divided by category or function, but as you can see, it's definitely overflowing and I still have so many more to put in here. So let me just flip through this and see what's here. So I'm going to be putting these stickers into these file folders that I got on Amazon pretty cheaply for this pack of 6, and just labeling them according to specific categories. So let's get started with the labeling. Let me see. I think I'm going to sort them into the theme of the stickers. I was initially thinking color, but I wasn't sure how I wanted to divide those up within the folders, and then I thought that I might want to reach for the theme and then I could sort out colors kind of according to whatever was in there. And let me just go through the rest of these. I'm going to be storing other stuff like vellum, cardstock, scrapbook paper, scrapbook scraps, all that kind of stuff as well. And I'm just going to group these labels onto the folders in ways that kind of make sense to me personally. Obviously this isn't something that everyone would prefer how to sort these. And then I'm going to put stuff like journaling cards, smaller prints, and stuff like that back into the A5 binder so that I can just flip through them pretty easily and they're stored nice and flat. And of course you're noticing a lot of Fire Emblem stuff. I'm definitely going to start my anime/Fire Emblem fan journal this year, but I just haven't had a chance yet. And this container is going to go into the top level of my planner cart. So I have an IKEA Raskog, I think that's how you pronounce it, that cart, that IKEA cart anyway, that's pretty famous on Instagram and Pinterest and stuff. So I'm just going to sort these little post-its and page flags onto there so that I can see them and remember to use them. And I also have some sticker flakes in their boxes over there, just anything that I want to easily access and sort through. And now for the final frontier, it's these gobs of washi tape. I have them organized in a few different places right now, but a friend nicely gifted me another set of washi tapes, so I have so many that they're just hanging around, they aren't on anything. It's these like watercolor ones right here on the bottom, and so and I want to take these rainbow ones out of this small holder, so we're gonna sort them into these Lazy Susans. I found them on Amazon just looking for washi tape storage, and they're the We Are Memory Keepers brand, and they just hold a bunch of tapes. I like having them in the dispensers already and just easily accessible. I was planning on stacking them. They actually have like a post in the middle where you can stack them, but I didn't realize that when I ordered them, and apparently they don't sell the post that links the two carousels on Amazon Prime. It's like from Amazon UK or something, and I just haven't gotten around to ordering it yet. So I'll probably pick that up at some point, maybe. But yeah, we'll see how many fit in here. Alright, so we're all done with that. I fit a decent amount in here, just combining the thinner tapes with the full-size tapes. Some of the tapes took up like the whole thing, and then this is the other carousel. just with those tapes in it. I tried to kind of sort of color coordinate them just because I figured I'd be reaching for similar ones for different spreads, and then for the little tape holder I just put those in there. And this is actually filmed before I decided to put the page flags in that little holder, but this is what I did with the rest of the washi tape. I just really like these page flags. I've had some spare command hook stuff laying around that I wanted to store, that little pumpkin planner clip, and just a bunch of the tapes that I don't regularly use. I might move a few of them around after this anyway, or ones that just didn't fit nicely on the dispenser I put in this little box. So I'm going to give you guys the grand tour of my planner cart. So I put a bunch of post-its and sticker flakes and things in that container and then put it up here on the top level. I have a taller container that I used for random note papers, some rulers, some coloring bookmarks, pin backs, lipstick apparently, and that cute little cat bookmark. I put some little light remotes and not correction tape, just adhesive on there with some paper clips and erasers. I have my tarot deck here, the one that I don't use every day, and I have my Aura Estelle traveler's notebook and my Midori notebook up there. I've also got, of course, the sticker files that we sorted earlier, and that way I can just sort through them on this level. It's just lower than my desk height. And then on this bottom shelf here, I have some old sugar rocks from Tivana, which is no longer a thing anymore, at least the standalone locations. And any old planners and notebooks that I was thinking about using, but I don't actually use that often. And this is how all the washi tape turned out on the little carousels. I just kind of staggered them to make them look nicer together. And this is how this little corner looks now. I finally put up some art, even though I did it in a super silly way, just by like taping the plastic prints onto my wall, but I actually really like the way they look. And I'm really comfortable with how my desk is sorted now. I think it looks nice and clean, and I can easily reach a bunch of stuff. I actually love this pen holder as well, and I got that off Amazon too. Can you sense the theme? And this is how I stored that washi tape box as well. Doesn't quite fit there, but I can reach it at least. And that little ceramic yarn ball under there actually holds little knitting markers and stuff like that. I really like it. And here's the other side of the desk. It just has a bunch of empty little drawers, stackable drawers, my other camera, a little doll that I got in Korea, my A5 folder, or binder, a little letter sorter. We've got my laminator over there on the left, a paper punch, the lens cap for this camera I'm using, and a corner rounder. And then within reach again is the planner cart. I'm really happy with how this desk organization turned out, and I might do a full room tour if you guys are interested in that in the future. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Thanks so much. Bye.